the thing that surprised me the most about Jamaica was just all this fruit I'd never seen or heard of. So there's breadfruit, which grew on a tree. It is green on the outside, but when you cut it open, it's kind of yellow-brown. And you can fry it, and it tastes just like bread once it's cooked. And then there's another fruit called ackee. So it comes in these red pods, call them ackee pods. And it has this yellow material around a little seed. And so if you pull out the yellow stuff and fry it, it tastes just like eggs. And then there were giant avocados. So I've had avocados in the States that are like the size of a fist, but there they were the size of a cantaloupe. And so one of the locals said, this is one of the few places in the world where bread and butter grows on the trees. So just because the avocados are so fatty and they were delicious. But I love avocados. And then other fruits, there were what they called star apples. And so they're kind of long. They looked a little like bananas on the outside. But if you cut them down the middle, they have a star shape in the middle, and they taste more similar to apples than anything else. And then there are also fruit they called jackfruit, and they were giant. So they would get larger than watermelons, and they grow right on the trunk of the tree. And those things were extremely sweet. You break them open, and they just have little sections, and you pull it out, it tastes like, the closest thing I can think of is Laffy Taffy. It's very sticky and sweet. And the sugar cane grew all over the place. And eating that, it was just like chewing on a piece of wood that had been soaked in sugar water.